Have you ever watched a storm begin? The day grows darker and the wind whispers through the trees. Big fluffy clouds gather, turning tall and grey. Signs a storm is coming. It's time to find a cozy spot indoors and watch nature's show. A gentle rumble begins the story, and the air feels different, still a little warm. Animals grow quiet, waiting. Then far away, a quick, silent flash of light appears. Distant lightning, the first hint. The world outside seems to hold its breath, waiting for what comes next. Thunderclouds, or cumulonimbus, pile up like giant towers in the sky. Inside, water and ice swirl in a powerful dance. This distant flash and soft rumble are an invitation. Nature is preparing for something special, a chance to learn and wonder. What makes that brilliant light appear? How does the sky create such energy? Let's look closer. With curious eyes, let's explore the magic and the science behind the flash and the sound. Nature's electric symphony is about to play. That brilliant spark, that electrifying display is lightning. It's a force of nature that has captivated and awed humanity for millennia. A huge flash of electricity, a sudden and powerful surge of energy released in an instant. Think of the tiny static shock you get from a doorknob, that little zap you feel on a dry winter day. But lightning is much, much bigger, a colossal version of that same electrical phenomenon. Lightning is one of nature's most powerful forces, a dramatic demonstration of the energy that exists within our atmosphere. It's a sudden release of built-up energy, a discharge that seeks the path of least resistance. It zips through the air in an instant, traveling at incredible speeds, faster than the blink of an eye. It appears as a jagged line, a chaotic and unpredictable path of light, or a glowing sheet across the sky, a diffuse and widespread illumination. Sometimes it lights up a whole cloud, turning it into a pulsating beacon in the night. Sheet lightning, like a giant lamp, casting an eerie glow across the landscape. The light from lightning is incredibly bright, intense enough to momentarily blind you. It's so powerful, making night seem like day for a moment. A fleeting glimpse of daylight in the darkness. Lightning can jump from cloud to cloud, creating spectacular arcs of light across the sky, or travel inside a single cloud, illuminating it from within like a hidden world. Rarely people see ball lightning, a mysterious and elusive phenomenon. A glowing ball of light that floats mysteriously, defying easy explanation. Most lightning is the familiar flash, the kind we most often associate with thunderstorms. It's connecting sky and earth, a dramatic bridge of electricity between the heavens and the ground, or lighting up the clouds, revealing their intricate structures and hidden depths. This powerful spark is a natural event, a fundamental part of our planet's weather systems. It's created by our planet in big storm clouds, those towering cumulonimbus formations that dominate the sky. It's not magic, though it may seem like it at first glance, but it feels magical, doesn't it? A truly awe-inspiring sight. A display of raw natural power, a reminder of the forces that shape our world. Lightning has happened for millions of years, long before humans walked the earth. It's reminding us of nature's energy, a constant force that has always been present. It's a part of how our world works, an integral component of the Earth's electrical system, and it's a spectacle to behold, a breathtaking display of light and sound. Each flash is a reminder of the incredible processes happening above us, the complex interactions that create these stunning displays. So let's discover how lightning is born and unravel the mysteries behind this electrifying phenomenon. Lightning, a spectacular and sometimes dangerous natural phenomenon, is born high in the atmosphere, within storm clouds. It's a process of electrical discharge on a massive scale. These aren't just any clouds, they're called cumulonimbus, towering mountains in the sky reaching incredible heights. They are the birthplace of lightning. Inside these colossal clouds, a dynamic world exists. Tiny ice crystals and water droplets swirl in a chaotic dance, constantly interacting. This swirling is driven by strong winds called updrafts and downdrafts, powerful air currents that move vertically through the cloud. The temperature varies dramatically within the cloud. The top of the cloud is frigid, filled with ice crystals, while the bottom is relatively warmer, containing mostly water droplets. This temperature difference plays a crucial role. As these ice crystals and water droplets move through the cloud, they constantly bump and rub against each other. This constant friction leads to a buildup of static electricity within the cloud. It's similar to the static electricity you create when rubbing a balloon on your jumper, but on a vastly larger scale. During these collisions, some particles lose electrons and, as a result, become positively charged. Conversely, other particles gain electrons and take on a negative charge. This process leads to a separation of charges within the cloud, with positive charges accumulating at the top and negative charges gathering at the bottom. As the negative charge builds at the bottom of the cloud, the ground beneath the cloud becomes positively charged through electrostatic induction, effectively mirroring the charge distribution in the cloud above. As the difference between these opposing charges grows to an extreme level, the air, normally an insulator, can no longer hold them apart. The electrical field becomes too intense. The concentrated negative charges at the bottom of the cloud are irresistibly drawn to the positive charges concentrated on the ground and also to the positive charges accumulating at the top of the cloud. In a sudden dramatic event, electricity jumps across the gap to balance things out, releasing an enormous amount of energy. This massive electrical discharge is the lightning bolt that we see, a powerful and brilliant flash of light. It's a pathway of light, forged in an instant as the electricity surges through the air. This pathway connects the areas of differing charge, creating a temporary equilibrium. It's nature's way of trying to restore balance, discharging the built-up electrical potential. All of this incredible activity happens in the blink of an eye, far too fast for us to fully comprehend in real time. It occurs high above our heads, a reminder of the powerful forces at play in our atmosphere, and that, in essence, is how lightning is born, a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. After the flash of lightning, that brilliant burst of light that momentarily turns night into day, listen for thunder, the storm's mighty voice, a deep rumble, or a sharp crack that echoes through the atmosphere. If the storm is close, thunder is loud, a deafening boom that can make you jump. If far, it's a low rumble, a distant growl that hints at the power still present. You always see lightning before you hear thunder. It's a fundamental law of physics at play. This is because light travels much, much faster than sound. Light zips along, while sound plods. A lightning bolt is incredibly hot, hotter than the surface of the sun. It's a temperature difference that's almost impossible to comprehend. This heat makes the air expand rapidly, like a sudden, invisible explosion. The air molecules are forced outward with tremendous force. The expanding air creates a sound wave that travels to your ears as thunder. It's the sound of the atmosphere reacting to immense energy. Sometimes it's a rolling rumble, sometimes a sharp clap, depending on how the sound travels, bouncing off mountains or being absorbed by the landscape. You can even tell how far away lightning is. Count the seconds between the flash and the thunder. Every 5 seconds means the lightning is about a mile away. It's a simple trick to gauge the storm's proximity. It's a fun way to track the storm's journey across the land or sea. You can almost feel the storm moving closer or further away. Thunder and lightning are partners in nature's show. The flash lights up the sky and the roar follows. Each storm is a unique performance, a display of raw power and natural beauty. Listen closely. The sky is speaking, telling a story of energy and atmospheric forces. That's the story behind the roar that follows the light. It's a tale as old as time and as awe-inspiring as ever. Lightning is more than a light show. It's vital for our planet. It helps keep Earth healthy by doing important jobs in the atmosphere. One key job: lightning changes nitrogen in the air into nitrates, which rain washes into the soil for plants to use. Without this, plants couldn't grow as strong. Lightning also helps create ozone, a gas that forms a protective layer high above us. The ozone layer shields Earth from harmful sunlight. So, lightning helps protect all living things. Sometimes lightning starts wildfires. While dangerous, these fires can clear out old plants, making way for new growth in some ecosystems. Fire is part of nature's cycle in many wild places. Even destructive power can have a purpose in nature. Lightning is a force of change, shaping forests and fields. It's a reminder that every flash has a role in Earth's balance. Nature uses lightning to renew and protect. That's why lightning matters. Lightning is amazing to watch, but it's powerful and dangerous. The best way to enjoy a storm is from a safe place indoors. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. The safest spots are sturdy buildings or a hard-topped car with windows closed. These places protect you if lightning strikes nearby. Avoid standing under tall trees, near water, or touching metal objects during a storm. Don't use electrical appliances or corded phones. These simple steps keep you safe while you watch the show. From your window you can see brilliant flashes and hear thunders rumble. Enjoy nature's power from a respectful distance. Find a good spot, get comfortable and watch the sky's electric symphony. Safety lets you enjoy the wonder without worry. Let the storm inspire awe, not fear. Lightning is one of nature's marvels, a brilliant flash, a powerful sound. It reminds us that Earth is alive and always changing. Each flash is unique, a fleeting work of electric art. Watching a storm fills us with awe and connects us to the world. Lightning sparks curiosity and questions. How and why does it happen? Learning about lightning helps us understand our planet better. It's more than a flash. It helps plants grow, creates ozone, and shapes our environment. Even its power has a purpose in nature's cycles. Everything in nature is connected, from clouds to trees. Next time you hear a distant rumble, remember the journey of lightning. It's nature's electric symphony, a sky full of wonder, power, and beauty. Be amazed by the forces that shape our world every day.